Namaskar to all of you, my dear students, and welcome to you on 21st day online class. Yes, on 19th and the 20th, I try to teach you preposition in which totally 5 rules I taught you on 19th and 20 days. And today now rule number 6. 6. Use of in. Use of in. In means in Nepali ma va bhitra. It has some certain rules. A, with big area. B number, certain year. C number, parts of day with preposition the. Similarly, season, name of season and month. B number, some special location or parts of inhabited. Now you watch. Use of in, that means in Nepali ma va bhitra. Though I have written only fulls, but its uses are boundless. As I told you in the beginning also that according to condition we can make judgment that which one is the better, but as much as possible. With a big area means, as I told you the previous time, the difference of in and at is for small area and in is for large or the big area. So that big area means here you can use in. Similarly, certain year means that it is means only year means 1999, 2000, 2004, 2020, etc. Only year should be there. That should be the fixed one. Similarly, parts of the day with the preposition the like in the morning, in the noon, in the evening. Similarly, name of season and the month. That means that's totally there are 4 seasons: summer, winter, similarly autumn, spring season, and totally there are, according to Nepali calendar, 12 months. Similarly, according to English calendar, 12 months. So either in Nepali month's name or the English month's name, for that also you can use in. Similarly, some special location are the parts of the inhabited, means like in the kitchen, in the bathroom, in the toilets, in the bedroom. Likewise, you can use in. So these are the normal use only, but it's the uses are the beyond of this one, because there are some fragile, you can say, preposition using the in also. And here once again, general use of in is with the big area, certain year, parts of day with the preposition the, similar name of the season and the month, some special location or the parts of inhabited, and one more you can mention here that something that is in a certain body in the surrounded area. For that also we can use the in. So here I will give you 2-3 examples related with the in that you may keep in your mind or you may note down. But what you note, because you are having study through the online and through YouTube. So better you just try to understand. The first one is, he was born in 2004. Second one is, Ram Ram was preparing tea kitchen. Third one is we should wake up early in the morning. So these are the three examples related with the in. And you never think that this must is the use of in, because while teaching the phrasal prepositions, I will broaden your concept, your knowledge related to the in or means with all the prepositions. Now the next one is use of un. Use of un. Rule number 7. Use of un means in Nepali ma wa mathi. So first one is un should be used with certain date. Certain date means day, month, year. Second one is to show the location of upper one. Third one is national festival or international. National festivals or international festivals. Similarly, day's name of dates. I will get one or two more. At first keep on listening. Use of and, that means ma wa mathi. So the first use on should be used with the certain date. Certain date means, as in the previous one you learned that a certain year. So that means only year you will get there. But here the certain date means there must be clear day, month, year. Whether year is there or not, that is not important. But day and the month at any cost must be very clear. Like she or he was born on 21st January, 2nd January or 21st May, etc. Means in the first one, the date means the day, month and the year should be clear. For the year you can't give the use priority, but at day and month at any cost should be there. Similarly, to show the location of upper one means some things or some person, in that means you want to show the upside means place, for that also you may use un. Similarly, national festivals and international festivals. When I talk about the festivals, then you may think the festivals means like Holi, Chhath, Dasai, Tihar, etc. Yeah, these are also festivals. But here national festivals, you should take those festivals which are celebrated in national levels. That is like Children's Day, Democracy Days, Martyrs Day, Immunizations Day. Similarly, international festivals which like one you can say that the Labor Day, AIDS Day, Environment Day. These are the you can say international festivals. And in the same festivals you can take anniversary, or you can say celebration that is annually or within 25 years or 50 years, that is celebrated in schools or any company or institutions or organizations. For those you can use un. Similarly, the name of days means totally there are 7 days name: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So with the days name also you can use un. And sometimes that un also is used with the company. Means what types of company like on the meeting, on the picnics, on the party. For that conditions also you can use on. So 2-3 examples related with on. After that it will be clear. It may be helpful for you to have the further study related with the preposition. So the 2-3 examples you may watch here. The first one is he will come on Monday. Second one is we get holiday on Democracy Day. Third one is Ramesh was born on 20 Baisakh 2064. Day's name, similarly, national festivals and year, day, month, year. So in such conditions, these are only examples you can use on. And again, I want to remind you that the use of on is something more except this one. That will be clear while teaching you the phrasal one. Thank you very much for joining the class on 21st day.